So fáilte aisce Port Fenway mar sin Tá míad na súil go mór leis a gluthe Canis ar Gaillimh agus an chlár a bheith ar siúl sa a fád se goibh na scórna an dách lethe lechanis tránón na neomhhéin ó amháin eile Gaillimh chuig a cuaig á clí trochané agus an son cúpla nómatú hin bhuaig an chlár ar Hibredor chuig in ag a cuaig agus gluthe Canis a taft ag a hocht a chló tránón. Nis tá cuasaí ag gairí anathe an so airfork na himmarthe ach fuair an so ar a Dave Lína ach tréis tachan leirtling tá Joe Canning nachfuil ag immert a Gaillimh tránón inniu and Joe, there's a good reason you're not playing.
Yeah, I got a scope on my knee for cartilage damage there about 3 weeks ago, so it was at me for most of the year, since just before the Leinster final in fact, so yeah, it's the best time to do it I suppose this year and get the body, try and get it right for next season.
Okay, but no long-term damage?
No, a few weeks more and I'll be back running hopefully.
Okay, what do you think of what's happening today?
Yeah, it's good, you know, it's exciting for the fans obviously over here, you know. Goals are obviously the key to it, so it's obviously exciting for them and it's great to be a part of it.
Is it hard to watch in?
Yeah, like, you know, it's before you're not really that competitive, but when you get the whistle going and stuff like that, it does become competitive, all right. But it's good. We're doing okay so far anyway.
And what about the weekend in total? The last time you came here in 2015, though you weren't involved yourself, you came, I suppose, as a team that were considered outsiders from the All-Ireland perspective. You've since gone on and won it this year. You come back as All-Ireland champions. Has the welcome been different?
Yeah, a little bit. Obviously, you know, we have a huge Galway following out here in Boston, so it's been really good to get to meet all the expats, I suppose, over here, and over the last 2 days we've met a lot of them, and you know, to see the smile on their faces and what it's meant to them, especially because it was 29 years obviously since we last won the All-Ireland, so it's pretty cool, alright, just to meet everybody.
League champions, All-Ireland champions, people are now going to look at 2018 and see, can Galway repeat it again?
Yeah, you know, that's going to be the talk of you know, all the fans and the supporters, I suppose. But look at last year, everybody was talking the same about Tipperary, and you know, we know that's not, it's easier said than done. So once January comes around again, it's like everything, everybody has a chance, and we're going to be the same as everybody else.
But do things like this, trips away, there'll be a trip away with the team, there's all-star trips, all this kind of stuff, do they get in the way of being able to retain the title?
I can't answer that, you know. It's obviously our first time as a group to do that, so we'll see next year, I suppose, is the only answer to that, you know.
Alright, good luck with the recovery, Joe.
Cheers, thank you.
Okay, Habrisha, a one Ella Togan to going as Stolam, Sarah Durfer, Ig, Erin Glithe Canish, Gaillimh, August and Clár Fós the Taft, so funny giding.
AIG Insurance, proud sponsor of the AIG Fenway Hurling Classic.
I've been done wrong, and I've been stepped on. I've been kicked when I was down. I've been too kind, treated unkind. I've been hurt and pushed around. I thought I'd never find love till one day you came along.
At Thornton's, we put a lot of love, passion and care into all we do. We travelled across Europe in search of the best recipes for our remastered continental selection. A taste journey inspired by excellence and variety. So whenever you give our chocolates, you're not just passing on your love, you're passing on ours.
There's more for your money at Lidl with our incredible price drop on products like fresh Irish Hereford Extra Lean Mince dropped to $2.69. Crunchy oat granola now only $1.99. Traditional sliced batch bread down to 79¢. And pistachio nuts now an amazing $2.55. Making your full shop even cheaper. Lidl, more for you.
You're a big lad, sorry.
Good. Well done.
And we're down.
Who we are is how we play.
The popular 30cm quick grip clamps and spreads. It's just $29.95. Buy one, get one free for a limited time. Visit realdealsforyou.com.
The phone. It's come a long way, creating a handheld banking generation. And now letting you open a current account and start banking in minutes with our app. No paperwork, just snap, snap and tap, tap away. Open a KBC Extra current account quicker than you can post a picture with your kids. Nice work, phone.
With our most dynamic range of new models ever and the latest automotive technology, you can make the future your present with Volkswagen. Even better, there's up to €5,000 off with EcoGrant, low-rate finance and technology upgrades. Visit your local Volkswagen retailer to find out more.
Every impact, every bone broken. That was nothing compared to the demons inside. In my darkest hour, I turned to my teammates. Telling them I was gay was the toughest thing I've ever done. But when I needed them the most, they were there for me.
Money Smart? Open your Smart current account from An Post and earn 5% money back on every €25 or more spent at Lidl. It pays to be smart.
AIG Insurance, proud sponsor of the AIG Fenway Hurling Classic.
So Coran Choraha na Nimróí a Raigawala le Imróí na Galibh nu leis a glóran so Tránó na Nniuh treis an AIG Fenway Classic. Sean Cléthe Canis sé tacht gan mór an muile ach táfach lechanis anna himúil fecu going a bhí anna ifriúil anna chéile diarmid bhíon céit lethe anna oscailte bhí rudí bhad níos tanna in san dara Cléthe lechanis so an bhfuil rawan na cotíontachta going den Cléthe Canis?
Yeah, has she smúil féchan dear nach il sin an rud an luas a Cléthe agus an slín a bhfuil an fisacholacht sa cé Cléthe mar sa chórtú le blachí agus galibh agus ní bhéh únar de smaoineh faoi an stíl an a háco fiúsa an ná Cléthe sa bhaile ar an tíobhile le go háirthe le chunte an clár has she níos mó imimlach go déan sí timp agus go bhaine siad úsáid as an clé seilbhíochta le 3-4 bliana agus fiú níos óige leis an burt banar stór chéine so has sé seo cotíanta agus ní rud de friúil le dóibh. As je smúl féchan comá is bidr go de bhar an taithí ath for na Galibh é a dhéanamh cepas a céad Cléthe gur siad anna happig ag boga leis an lío go háirithe nuair a bhí feil déanta nuair a bhí stop áirithe bhí ar smaoineh bhad níos tapúla chun rudí a rithe raig. Ní raibh chun den clár ach tar éis Cléthe bháin agus an mion atharthe níos beidir agus hán cíann siad an luas cíann siad na féidir há rudí nua forbert agus is tócha beidir go gíimiid Cléthe beidir ní dólam go méid sé lechoéasca de Galibh an or seo.
Agus is tócha churann sé tríal ar an panel beag tuirseas na cosa ag an dáchampa is tócha an clár beidir níos mó i bhíana se ar go bhfuil si ddíreach tríos críoch nuan san dara Cléthe lechanis.
Cínte, has sé tréis éirí ábharín fór an seo comá na hafar na Galibh tagad den park agus has sé tréis héamh suas a ríis ach ag an ann céine beidir nuair hán rithe mán agus nuair há maras a bhí chun den clár has sé tréis dahad na méad a cabh agus iad a gimmert agus beidir gúil si seis úr i chlí eile. A meid teircearthú de bhar na ahrathe an slíon a bogan siad có tapig ón park agus an levéile có caidáin achlíocht ag na himróí an seo faoi láthair. an dá héamh maras gannach an dá héamh ann cíimiid tucha ceanna há níos fearr nuair a cíimiid na buatóirí sin mar sa míonse.
Sin é bíon an buag na buatóirí mar deirtar. Ná Diarmaid tá cúplaúireach le categoing an sa Fenway Park. Tá sa gomó bheith caiint ar maidin ní raibh tú cinnte faoi seo. Tá cúplaúireach le feiceaing a bhfuil tú níos mó ina ábhar in éise go pointe seo?
Tá sé smúl a fiachan déir ó nuair a hátáin seo i meas na daoine há seo agus bhí a labhart le roint Americanig beidir a tháinig tuismothirí lá fadó agus bhí idir fad a rábh agus bhí úna arm na daoine fiú hásáis íon faoi cluthe an seo na daoine ina seacaní seachta bhíidir ní bheith simachach teachtaí cluthe mar seo mar ceapan siad nach chuilte có ná dúrtha nó tradiisiúnta ná an fíor cluthe sáile ach na daoine há seo na daoine hátrééis hád an tóca leis. Na dine atá I better a gine an cléthe Soália agus há bortna cho agus há de caint faoin cléthe Albert I chun déile nachfuil bemáint leidir. Agus há ceartachó is slíomháin ach nuair a hátáin sin níl sé duna clé, níl sé duna daine sin, há sé a gine timp an dahan a hátóca leis na máint. Churann an Common Local Scale, AIG agus TG Carr Ireland's aine há seo buinte leis agus na himróí. Há a chur rud éigen chun cín a há úr agus a há nua. Agus is rud ma ar cultúr a raine. Now, caithim an freistal ar a horde Soália comá agus ní léon rud níos tábhachtaíine ná é sin cínte. But má háú just chun rud cóálan a cumad dit hain I gcónaí. Ní rud ma hé sin ach iad caithú deis a hórda rud éigen Albert.
Agus is tóca Diarmid agus mí de fécatar na himróí agus iad dal hart an paráid rivan cléthe canis. Is tógra é seo, nó is cléthe é seo do daoine atá thar ní héad a bhainte na hhéirna in áíire mar tá parc na pelle agus amán going a fad agus lehead na tíre ní féidir pelle agus amáinte immer cúigar déag an taobh sa chuid is módas na parcanna atá an taobh se tíre so caithfar bheith beáín crothachas dócha leis pésport a hagan chun ceann.
Seohan a hrús a tír for láthir Micheál dumsa ar aon a fiachantir. Bhí five a gcuid nó hih an cléthe de ó hih tradiisiún de bhí mar a fiachantir seo na rialacha, seo méad a parc, seohan I bhfuil an cléthe. Agus há drám nua rééis teach chun cín sa Common Local Scale agus a tír ará. Well, ní caithimid clí leis an tradiisiún. Caithigh sé mar buncloch agus I gcónaí mar buncloch is rud ionach luach for é an tradiisiún ach Caitú féchan der five na maras a chórtú le mion crochog an féidirlinn rudí a achrú an féidirlinn like a féchan hosáis gráin fiú gom sa féchan cool soccer park I máníochta ó héamh an sais an túram a hagam faoin glithe ach ní héag bhfuil an níbraham gúil an cearta gom a bheith mar sin just rud a ann ó bheith fás níos a caint faoi seanna miona faoin na Sasanig agus rudí mar sin ach ní sin mar is a caithh sé bheith mar sin go jo há dtíine treis teach chun cían há siad a géirí rudí a chur a bheabhs há siad a géirí rud éigen a scape agus is rud maithé rudí a scape má tarlíonn sé slí ná dúrtha argánach Maha brú a raig buinte le rud éigen níos mó an cluiche má há siad airgeangus agus rudí mar sin a há gceist sin rud difriúil ach ní braham go bhfuil sé mar sin há siad géirí just an cultúr agus an cluiche ionach a hágain a haspáint a chorás códaine agus is rud luachfar agus is rud maithé sin.
Agus is tódam ní léon áras an Diarmid ach an slua atá bailithe stachan sa Fenway Park tránón in Newk tá siad ag buinte anna hanamh go deo as an ócáid agus in ceiste bheith an iseán ná cá déan siad as seo tá caint an béidir go méid comórtas blion túil Super 11 a gceist agus go daistaló sé béidir go cathracha éagsúla mór haimpel ar Verica an blion se chuing sa blion na níos an cávis.
Le héon rud seo I hlí is seo taspáintas ócé céad bhain cínta há comórtas a ghain agus há choranós ar ggóir agus há imróí agus há omíocht a gceist comá ach há na daine is fearr sa tír ag immert os cór daine ó tír heile ó cúna difriúla don dahan é sin á haspáint é á chur chun cín agus tugann sé sin sais deis do chuoine chunig go mar é há sé físina le daine nachfuil taithí có le imáníocht a eiscint riamh agus an achrú a hagan ar a cín siad é agus is rud maithé sin.
All right, okay, ard job denta Diarmid gur maithagad a sin, okay, mar a cín sibh mar sin tá na himróí réig leis an paráid beag nach ré chunaig go hart ar a gluthe beag na hárán náisiúnta going agus an sonna chéad leasa tar midaigenis ar a musca tráchtúirta éon uair amháin eile Bríon Tyres agus Calmore.
Ard ar a híl gur maithagad agus tá na himróí mó a tír gáil tá sé feachta anna uair ar fad an sáinis go déanamh isteach ar rán té nó déanamh isteach sa tránón na péascéile agus tá bhana ceoil a fágad na parce bhana ceoil na bhardá teánan sa a gaiir bhastún agus began dá árán náisiúnta go saladas nóid an gluthe ceanaiseach bhana chéinte bhí mróí ar níhil dírig fnacht té agus díreach saladas nóid inis dá árán mar derim agus mun árán a bhíon tá mar éí chéide ón máimín letramór a bhuaigh cortnareachta sin 8
Ardenta crov Gabuakachto Some spade Gomin nach von war fevroch shen con glow good tune war glay leitioch don low segunes khave sunny shaliv kani
Basta Wuchel, pwy Iacard Eisiau na Harrow mar lagan na gem Marini Chéide, pwy Corny Reid yn eid gwachto cwig. Awsar fad, sych o blin y mastw nach ten Giovanni Gorilta. Nish, awr on Verica a Chananso, ag Fran Rogers.
Can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the
The Star-Spangled Banner agus bhí tríocht a puint sin mar leagad chomá tá an buil an chail go mechan dá árásan mar bhuaig an tanón a bhíidir chomá.
Bhíon má tá an clufa le chomá sa bhína na árán sin bhí sé go bra ar fad.
Weil tá go chéine a bhí beidir sticks na bíalanegus na téatarna tá mar chudan staiten sa takeach a bheith na rééis na réalacha pótbhaine leis féinneomatan le sí cí de féintí de chuú leis stig den gris cosanta fithe slat an ggóil cúking las mochas úd beag pocanéidir agus fuileachtaí a bhna fiscin sa tanón atá pluthe ceannis tosta sa fáic Fenway agus an chlár ar an nún sí láthir a bh buin Tony Kelly ach beiste seo a hálófa aus mar chórach agus tá an ré gachbeag choláidir agus a bhí níos túisce ach tá taí áire hinis i gcéim glár go háire ar na réalacha sa agus chunas mar a bheith có Patrick O'Connor an capla an bhí ar aus an son sa chláil le cheannis agus a chiadíocht ar chóil sátha ag captaíon na Galí Colm Callan Blanta Galar Parke Kelly direct Shelva Alton Sonach na Galí got an stack Troy Tapper shoot and the Digan Tav couple of real elements and got no back so a second is Cohaner close out the Hurley Kelly against Tom Brian Connor Whelan against Jack Brown agus Brata Egg Diarmid Carvin and Ray Tord on saw agus is a stack of Egg Puck Sayer no puck Egg to Puck Sayer to Brown to Achta Gortu close to Tall had Connor Whelan. Well, Diarmid Carvin and Dierig a chudde in the lead na Hemidori going to violation the body at the time meeting saw agus Tashat Foss a cockuycht Lena Chele Jason Finn dat is tegen Meel en Goe agus Rauwe Croy Caliban te vachten en son Jack Brown achter Koene Garre Brown te ach toe san nog Ramatoele gaan
Ein Ramatoele fad agus tam imroí ar fad tá sé de Garre goint agus Cora leis an réiteúr agus léirín sé tábhacht agus atá an clufa seo gan imroí.
Nis sé Flynn is tócha a thuúnig féin céad scór an sa. Pwyd ten a dalamh, smachta a get tamáid isteach sára a get Donald Tui. A réist brú cutter siúd agus imróí a topic on fúr beidir trestóid fi bheith seasat as na hauráin ná siúdach sin a dalamh i ggéir a grásisteach. Cahan O'Connell, Sheeran sa. Talking Gadasca, Peter Duggan agus a réist a live a wine. Ní múna go menach am ar Colm Callan agus tá sé sétumach Harselíne. Fós/dig tá sé deacair léver an dheimhlíne seo tá slatú masin do dheimhlíne ann. Ach seo chun an clár. Cháineom at scoile caitin sa chiadla. Blocáideantar sin agus Johnny Cohen. Fiochan Keta a clúise chantasig. Bwyd isteach an son agus lapaig mechnáid ag Patrick O'Connor.
Sin agus mónach go léon mar tíblin a anach déine sé sin antachar don réiteúr.
Patrick O'Connor agus Connor Cooney a feide a chéile. Ach den plár na sa. Latmach gur Ryan Taylor. Jason Flynn. Chidchin u Viga Flynn had toen fest score agus Lorna Parke. Nach a rééis tá lapaí fór an sannach seachúnin fear Pedri nach defriocht na fórna tána Tony Kelly. Dúsáidir a bhíidir sporálta glóra úsáid sa chiad chléthe tránú sa chléthe le cheannis. Ach be sé bídaine chalár an éananig tánóna. Seachúnin gáileh níos tríneom go le caiitinéis agus gan éon scór fós an chuiglen an sannis tig dírig an neartach úsáidach David McInerney. Bwyd y fada, tosi y fain ystig. Sle Peter Duggan. Ach Johnny Cohen agus Tomáte Clihansus. Smachta hegáling an sundang alif get Ian the Park. Ach fys fa tam monúr o'n slú típlaring an so. Trastach o fad le Park. Gaf lastig den Chris Cossington. Nis tá drofil i bwyd yn son ar David McInerney. Agus beidir go grahach le seo póta bríine le. Jack Brown agus siút sáit an son I duna de bhaintear na Galí agus tá idir chórn agus camáinnig gemacht.
Agus tá sé bristeach I gart an isná agus imraí ag teacht ó fud na Parke. Agus Diarmid Carvin an sin tá smach beag an in cáilte ag ar an glufa. Johnny Ryan is sin freisin ag ar na imróí bhris sós agus is dóilm bei sé dínar na daine a tháinig isteach ach tá is féidir dean an isis mar tá thola gúna tar éis isteach ní le Colm Callan an fách in éonar ina lehéin agus gach duine eile páirteach sa tréide hála na sé deacair an seo ag Carvin agus Ryan é seo réiteach ach cartaí buiteach aga éine barc agus tá Jack Brown in mí freisin.
Wel, tá onathe teachtasteach ach níd an merchin ach tá chluthesa tiúil a ríist agus níl éon bhail nach bhfuil imróí déanaige seo bhuachtain an dáin seo chun Connor Cooney inis. Dut a trastan san ar David McInerney agus an chiad scór an gaileh Ige Cooney.
Agus beidir gur an spraga sin ag testáil bhaid gaiileann sin níor thosa siad ó bhas a chluthehí an fór an uachtar ach cadimar críocha Conor Cooney an sin ceist beidir faoin na coscéimena anna críoch ar fad.
Deis sin sa agus ar éis Colin Callan. Má go leor de iirecht an chláir an son.
Ach beidir Callan an Coolbaire is fearr tá feici agan na nniu go leor sábháilte diontaigh na Coolbaire eile ach 3-3 is dóil am anna
Stóchaid
ar fad ag a Callan go dtí seo rimos.
Cenna locht ochtan é Adrian Tuhiach an erid. Ú Donald Tuhi cheart mar Donald Tuhi an chláir ach.
Anna chuhéige Hreshin.
Mission pucks ar tócan son agus é Martin trastan na parke. Channa cheann gafas an éir an son. Ag an ngailemh agus seolótha bót bhain eile. Suas Joe Cooney. Fer má fachtar sin ach feit an sonis ag Shane Maloney. Cuireacht an barca chart a bís an sa chláir lechan seach. Cooney rís teach trastan an chólan san ach McInerney. A déanamh an chanú agus fóraí le há sé sin. Ach McInerney agus Cooney an sanna lechan le chéile aus mar chórach.
An bhair fad agus anna chórach an sin agus Dahi Borcharíis.
Ceá gafa an son ag siúdach tá Telef Gate agus Duggan. Come on, imhin sanna bhaine do bhainte na galíoch Colin Callan bíse bras sucker chomá. Michelle van tidrach seach an Maloney in ish. Podge Collins. Dí ag siúd i chimád las mógach Jason Flynn in ish agus búda casíocht ag siúdach ní henfad an Podge. Agus an réiteoir ligna tasútal a roigus plant gaig Roger O'Connell. Nadidir bhacamar gudú riimiseach leach se chuin Johnny Cohen. Lewis Stephen leis a chléach rééis smachta ag a desan soniste ag an glár. Trasta mátáile Shane Maloney a réist. Gan stéana iirechtaí na nimiróirí agus gan nátíomid Cameron réiteoir. Gach peog chógan óg leis na himiróirí. Anna Yasser fad son agus skilláling ar fad léir ag Rory Hayes. An bhlocáil agus an slitráir a leisige. Ruair mahan sainis ag Conor McGrath. A sé tamáteach a John Tevlin agus Johnny Cohen. Tá luas na críomh buint lei seo agus na chéine a dulaisteach chu cruúig agus a dhéan siad Hayes a réist. Rory an bouta an glár. Dus sé fachtan sa. And the bishop John Connon agus is sé go dainach chur a siar ag Johnny Cohen go mé glisneach a der Diarmuid Carwin. Nimmer to Dollarag agus sála ag Callan a réisteach fachta ag Podge. Cos céim nata íomh ag Podge Callan bouta bhain eileach tá Jack Brown Haring eile tris an cúlach ná.
Na chúlar fad ag an zera a chadé mar gáthbhaid dianta an sin do chreitt ar fad ag a Colm Callan an sin ag sin Jack Brown díreach ar eisir an bar. Agus iad chorm.
Sean Neil an san scórála dhéanam agus a bhís na cluthaí eile ach tá géire san imirt agus déin an ára beidir út san a cháil beag seo chuin bhuilean. Fála clutha riimi semach an son de chláirínig a réisteach le go cruig ón dáhéamh agus well san nuair go leor an bouta san is ní léinge a rásisteach sa bhríon sa ach a méid sin ráite tá carta buí fachtan son de Naileviga Jonathan Glynn agus bheascurt a spáineach de chláiríonach leis ceann nach Diarmuid Carwin a rás suas agus tá pocéide go brauntga agus is cadafach sin íanamh mácharntuisteach ar foxéir agus é óthógant tá cadagat an pocéide go bhronna.
Sinna cinna tá genta ige agus Johnny Glynn níl sé imime ón barc fósach tá sé gimachta níl sé imime ar churbéir ón barc. Tá sé fós ar a barc.
Well, tugach an cart nach ar Dubhaile Duggan an gaiscí a scórála sa chluithe leithcheanais agus an clár cúcín de féintíoch an tosaigh ige. Tá Glynn fós istí go bhfuil.
Tá Glynn tachar eisir a barc
agus tá sé bratige Carwin.
Tá sé ráite leis imacht agus tá sé imime inis.
Na cheatút an réiteoir agus Carl leis an réiteoir Colm Vahan atá so fear chiil na matra a ceiliúra a le brethe tá an agus chun míad ar na bhéin anúil de son. Idir an Darlín. An dóg séite agus tá sé an gléach ar neis an Trussa. Is Kit van Geert Kinte Kaden.
Is Puckamach Arish Lagalia.
Is Calden. Ishel Gear Mar Fuckamach. Toka Kelly. Agus over Spashke. Agus Hasan Kunturucht and Vrasura. Ma took the Spas and Versa. Dierig Kusantori Vella. Machri Conlon. Duggan Risht. Sarah will nearly get Colin Cannon. Top port and Trussard.
Sana host jumped like a Warren Shaw, Gus Duggan, or a Rinnish at the Cliff of Lacanish, a Gleno in Sir Eilish, a score all.
And you can see in this Shah. So Chleh Canish.
Sta Galia Fivru, Don and Dinner Brescia Shin, Dennis of Brescia on floor.
Talk count Ronium to the Conor William Pintamachka. Agus in áin is stig tá Paul Flaherty dult is text na tusa. Ferna bechanul it's na hin gun Beidir Oisin O'Brien. Susan sa. Sfacht David McInerney gemacht aus na Kurmi Kosantugus. Ga fest live about.
Shinai Gadiro as the Kela. Shinan Triukan.
Marshania, Belgium for Iraq when it class up on raw hop with Beidir. Tasha Ho Dakar to beam the Goni Iraq me Dakar Gapile. Achtan Hudson, the whole Shior and so. In the Sanach Turim of Vine, Plant Suske, Donor 2 excitation, Tiny Chickens Trap War, Jensen, Achni Hensi, Lesson, Retor, Shenagas, Ian Dara Curry. Neither Gidder Tranon and Fekalach Kamash.
Fekalach said for Lacan, fresh and like a say Gimmer Kamagas. Maravina Rock, Galway, Galia, Fui Runshaw, Agus and Bjarna Guskult.
Chataba, Bjarna Dasson, and Free to Diak, Agus Shahun reached on Clarence. Galib did stop a condition, Unseed Gia Dirtach. David Reedy, agus an cúna púirteach Josh and Fós Deshmeder, a Tarek Manatalo and John Conlon. Ard Chor Agadisa.
Ard Choric, Achalwan and Octor Egalwar, agus John Conlon, Farrell, the young Lloyd, agus an Ecolog, so Cliffalek and the Freshen. Skagalia score all, Skipper.
Mr. David Glennon is taking a huge river to Haney, a fair less chance. And Yosha and chance over Vahan Boats on the get Carl Malone. So came out to stick, come out and son and get Darren Curry. Senior Matilkula, Catching Sauce, Kid and Canish, on the Haliver known Siach Tasha Chountess Hunia, with the Sheer and Son. Open out the net to Fatke Galvin. No David Reedy, Minash Gale of Young. Trustly Carl Malone in ish. En of Veluur los na him rachan a fast fad shashin khafadle John Conlon currently in the geshoot touch the house and Clark
ta an immer san war fad agus e gol o hef na park agus touch the game show na score all the hit
quick and son agus count fachter nash quick and Clark should an galva score all single nach Shane Maloney. Vi Galish.
Vi got. Vi an Galish.
Shane and Son. He had cool against the Chlesa. After Cooper count in a test fire like I said. And Farron Piensa. Or Fark finally Derek Lochland and the Gali Moss out of because we can't go around of a grease and tackle the Shavern. Carl Malone. Good to pick on Fat again. He done Grebe Cannon and Spricker. Carl O'Connell. Shahunish. On Galif agus Joseph Cooney. Ross was Van Bark and pass Tucker. Agus Lanterig Glennon Pichak nach Colin Suggs and Nada Hall their father got Paul Flaherty.
Shinana Cool agus Gaelic Fausu of the Fogwell Shik Fausu Marwell Shik Corhamo he Viverchan agus an Tarma vi Jonathan Glynn Imaho on Bark agus Grow Ferris Vershik on board run the shot on Jeff Fichter Fad.
Shot a fair on Earhart in a no shot Carcaloranish. Wapi Cornavaris and Sunday, not a Johnny Cohn of Yonachton Clar, it's on the regular shot, trust in the park, Bishop Patch on the hole, Sorry, Calnan, Cahan O'Connell, Kikrach and Son, Adrian Tuhi, the Nine of August Leg or the Nieha in the park of Son Milash Gill. Kunyama Dear Gulla, catch us here at Lash, August Cora Gana Yen of Father Fat. On daar heeft Calation Bouterson Agus neer Liggerta, gaat over Koik, Slat Sheer, Agus Carterby, Brompton again right over, Agus
Sir Danlan Nima on Bork, Agus Koshinish Jack, Gomorrah, Galia, and the Ravi Jonathan Glyn Nimi, Agus First of Fresh, Agus Jogan Takish Jack and Ishkan and Pino Shaw, the Hogol.
Right the Bishon Lechs Gorala, Suchlehe, Lechanish Toy Vachta. Onder de attack is gemacht. Kan een stand zo Duggan erased. Well, tan Fersel, zo hard fell hard. Shamarson quick practice for Lene ging ish. Agus Shachon, Podge Collins, Shigri in the whole border. Van de Amerikaan, ik vader woog gelukkig could you go Vimo, Tron de Gadish Tan de Geinen is je shot. Maar gewoon komt een twelon. Ganimach and Clar Fad on Naliv. Agus will pocket get Ella Brownton so Targadain.
We cashed and Sinn Féin Kush came and we talk Agus Johnny Cornish, Garon, Dermot Kerwin, Marial or Shin.
Well, Ian Galvin if he guessed. Agus Shachan Peter Duggan reached. Swell, you're a Colin Callan. Ach, Neheda, come on, Ishtach. Boston Fackson and Kitchev, good second start force, let on Nugamig and Khalif Harnash. Agus into the Diego Barker, Tony Kelly, Butchach and Klinik as shooting son, Fact to get dog and Agus. Gone in on the scale of Vegas at Sucker Slat on goal. Kulorla didn't get me hard on a week, the Hamanish. Aru Hunter shot. Hodge Collins and son are here and Paul Flaherty puntage to out or heavier to get Flaherty. Achta on Clark Litcha a macher a Fennig Skidalling and son. They get Patch, Agus Flechershin to Lergus, they cannot fish to get and tag Irish mentioned into they get Bobby Duggan, her master is along the park. Well, Batoon to get Patch and son and Trusson on Goover Leshenik.
Shin Le Patch Shannon Schlitter cancel Boheska. Ach, Tasha Koshkopi.
Ach, Ficher Shamar here, Chris Neil second a hurt. The Nine of Agasiadam, Ru Hernash, they get Buchali on the Claude and saw Deshinson Hole. The Nine of they get Martin Dalfin, Achni, Jack Taka, Jack Medic with Jeff Ford before. So, the few things around there, they've been around my best Latin, Rukic, the Stack Cat, the Henny came out, race on to 10. Shane O'Donnell. Mach and Soggy David Fitzgerald half fast live reached. They get Fitzgerald. Smacht the heck a horn to get Cohen. Nish to do Sheffield fast score. Put back get back in early. Sorry, get 2 here. That's down the book that put and Claw. The Mach a patch of Flaherty. Savalacher should Lordach. Stachla Shane Maloney. Shoshansonish. Throw hands, Cartla Maloney and son.
Mia Carter Maloney being Conchinik Chestel like Galia with Lahoma.
Well, ta meets a moment Jernach Agus ta Printe is Fehe Derna Ford and so. Total 2 election Bokamach. Susan so. Put took a Tulans on a stake. Sure draw Bobby Duggan. Agus and Khalif Ross English accounts, Adrian Tui. There's a lot of tackles. Joseph Cooney to have a wine. I pass me here to have a Agus. Kylton, son of Connor Cooney, V. Mars Brickach and Clar. Short the staff. Statossa here. Fachte and so. We get Peter Duggan. Agus a lot of tackles on my tower. Achta, Lefel, Finny van Clar. On the board at Toot Van Agus a sorry, get Cameron. Achni Jemmy Hefos. Mar Hanston Clar. Stechens ook een Kruik. Loho Riestach, Legerand, Agus Johnny Cohen. Which Jack Croy tapping a shoot. Talk at the hall and give it on his stick. Jack says on her good Le head the Hosset and Son. They get Patrick O'Connor Eros.
Oh, we share Hakeem Al-Fad and Dr. Ashabi O'Connor and Shin Agus Fi Maloney Rakelin and Schlitter Kirsch Jack to Liam Tom and Shin.
On the floor and Son could have had to get Fernand Gali Dahi Burke. John Conlon. Jack O'Fadle Calnan. Which McAvoy the park again. Cole Mars Brooke. Which are shooting Son again. David Reedy stole him. Ian Galvin is toch of jou. Nach se chun richt. Und klar an ish agus, well, Corcussia the Hort Egin and Son. Could have fair Conor McGrath. McGrath done a raig agus Tash gan a chomracht and goal. Agus Tan Ado Glaham a shade Grand Sonis and Son Danger Machtan Clark Shimmer Cadiel. Agus Tash fair and Clash of Fest Machtako. Such a point to Casود. Negating an island agus Maradut Brad and Jenov Demi Hall Jennahu. Chun start chuir seo ach be mé neis tris na bógraí seo leis an tarna le.
AIG Insurance, proud sponsor of the AIG Fenway Hurling Classic.
Farewell, sweet Dublin.
Vichy Hyundai na Horani is far a vi Ariwan and Yeren.
Vi Rodnart specialty ki na Walligan Daniela.
The clear tone of voice, man, unbelievable.
Shirm groa hena a goni geri mishteri na baha a hiskand.
And she was at the top of her game.
Seal agus sihir etna ni hualachain. Jikadanya or TG Keher.
This is an urgent appeal. East Africa is on the brink of famine and children are dying of starvation. They desperately need your help. For as little as €4, you can help provide life-saving food for a child. Text FOOD to 57666 to donate by phone. Please, text FOOD to 57666 now.
Sona Vitamins. Supporting Ireland's health for over 30 years. Sona. Support like no other. Available in pharmacies nationwide.
Things change when you look at the world differently. As populations grow, their need for food does too. So our farmers and food producers are responding with what's right beneath our feet. Through Origin Green, they're coming together to produce food as sustainably as possible, within a viable industry, in a way that's more respectful of local communities and our natural environment. Visit origingreen.ie to find out more about Ireland's pioneering approach to sustainable food production, using the power beneath our feet.
Find the ideal gift for the future sporting star in your world. Get online and visit the GAAstore.com, bringing global brands to local heroes.
Home Brewers of Ireland. Smithwick's knows your struggles.
Yeah, okay.
We've brewed through fires, floods and revolutions. But when someone tells you that's a cracking pint, it's worth all the effort. Because like yourselves, at Smithwick's, we're in it for the love of it.
Discover the all-new Kona by Hyundai. See Hyundai.ie. Hyundai. Discover why.
Mortgage hunters, AIB believe it's time for you to say goodbye locked-in long-term regret. Goodbye confusing upfront offers. Goodbye rate rage. And hello to Ireland's lowest variable rates from AIB. Rates that will save you way more over the life of your mortgage. Rates available to every existing and new AIB customer. Because fair's fair after all. So goodbye rate rage. And hello Ireland's lowest variable rates from AIB.
AIG Insurance, proud sponsor of the AIG Fenway Hurling Classic.
Anna has afgenta go glór leis glehan so agus tá siad fantastic trocha in aige né cé chredecha in currathe ile éireann agus na champíní sa chamórta seo chábh ó hin gaileh ach well níl gaileh go maith go dtí seo ach am cinnte go bhfuil Mícheál Donoghue istigh agus é man ibre leis a bhuireann agus níl an cluiche seo hart chu nicimar insan gluthe le ceannis cé chó tapig agus a athraíonn cuasaí agus cábhís a go dáthró séirí. Ach seo an scór mar sin atá ann ag leam. Trocha ag a glár agus né mar ragra ag gaile. Leis tá príomhhaimneach nua an GPA Dermot Early and seo in Moston Tronon and you've got Larting. Dermot, you've had a busy few days between Australia with the international rules here.
Yeah.
So it's been what's it been like?
Yeah, well, it's been a busy couple of weeks. Obviously coming down from coming back here from Perth, a lot warmer down there than it is here. So yeah, I left there on Wednesday and arrived in here on Thursday. Unfortunately, obviously, I wasn't there for the second game, but I did get to watch it. And even though the lads did put up, a really brave fight and played some brilliant football, the Aussies in the end had done enough. So I think, considering everything that happened prior, probably to the first test, with most, a lot of lads were sick, and to put in that performance in the first game, just probably couldn't capitalise on it in the second game.
No, but you're probably better positioned than anybody because you've been in Australia to see the footballers, you're here in Fenway for the hurling. This international dimension to our sports, how is it working out, and I suppose what are the next steps that can be taken?
Yeah, no, well look, for us it's fantastic to be able to bring four teams here to Fenway Park, to have 30,000 people here. You can see, you can feel the atmosphere. It was like a championship match in and around Boston today with the 4 different counties. And I suppose the show that the players are putting on, I mean, we're getting to promote the skills of hurling, which is fantastic. The speed of the game has been fantastic. I think one of the aspects is the amount of shots on goal and the actual skills of the goalkeepers that we're getting to see, because we possibly mightn't see them during a proper 15-a-side game. So look, for us it's a brilliant opportunity. I think the players are really enjoying it. We've the inaugural Players Champions Cup, of course, which Galway and Clare are playing for, and hopefully we can keep this going in an international capacity, and possibly to other stadia in America as well.
So this is in partnership obviously with the main sponsors AIG, and I know there has been talk that maybe this will become an annual event. It's 2 years since we had the Fenway Classic here in Boston, as I say, in 2015. We're 2017. Is there a chance that it will tour America in the years to come, let's say?
Well, possibly. That is a possibility. Obviously, we'll assess how this works out, but I think it's been very positive, and we'll be in talks with Fenway to expand it, possibly moving it down to New York, possibly going to Chicago as well. So there's great potential in it here. As I said, it's a great opportunity to showcase the skills of hurling to the American public, and even speaking to a lot of people who an Irish diaspora, first generation Irish that may be out here for 30 or 40 years, they've brought their family, their friends, and said this is the game that I grew up supporting. They're bringing them to see, and not only does that promote the game, but it also promotes the interest in the local GAA clubs here in Boston and further afield as well. And that's important, that people that come here see the game can get involved out in Canton as well.
I mean, there's been great enjoyment, and we've seen the crowd reacting, especially to the skill level, and I suppose some of the bust-ups that we've seen, which I know probably at home the GAA don't want to be talking about, but at home as well there is a sort of a mixed view, Dermot, regarding these kinds of trips and their value overall to hurling. During the week we've heard lots of stories from counties, weaker counties I suppose you could consider them, who say if the money that was spent on bringing this to America was spent in our club or in our community, we'd be much better off.
Yeah, well, first of all, you're right about the skill levels here. They've been fantastic, and the crowd really appreciate it. And there was a standing ovation at half-time after the last game, and I think that's very important. The second point that you make, the proceeds for from today's game go directly into supporting the player development programme, and that's available to all counties equally. So, it's very important that we're able to provide support if the demand for our programmes increases, and we've seen it increase over the last 12 to 18 months, and we have to be in a position to be able to have sufficient funding to meet that demand. And as I said, whatever we make today goes directly into that programme.
All right, Gormagat Dermot, the teams are on their way out in Shudden Darala, as Lartling and Show. Now, Tommy den Show at Fenway Park. Show a night, Bader is Coilula o have baseball, a night Satira, night is Shinna o have baseball, agus Dirk Tabling and Show, to Falla Moor or Glasgow Abanham, the Green Monster. Now, you listen to the Fechinter and Show. Ag Shinna Green Monster, Falla Moor Grieta Aun, agus Show a Vier Shul, ag Dermot Ling, Leshen Sloan East Luha. Agus Eric Latjermit.
Bhís daimsig me fear tíle in a bán hús agus chuir sé lábh amach agus bhí sé bheith 53 áit sin cé go raimsig me ar bhís a géirí I'm sure. But look at it's running if Fenway nether I go hek some on íochta ha rud fui left we better polo grounds agus Gaelic Park as out mar sin honnig an cuidína chuig an cahar seo Boston agus leabhar sin fui Fenway our uncle or agus fiú is lá an jobhaun our Col Cathric agus Dini Coish Lumsa ha Talcari and I've mar VR who can obra all. So ha Fenway ha rod egin trick to Fenway come ha she fecker father green agus Shitani book event.
Agus Tagalor das the Schlitters buihe sin under Tawala egin slew low and such ranon and you've Carcalor will modulation Immert gan hours van Clark and Tosig Trocha en eigen well they have the nearest the Gallic come to go well for me they're free and the Darla.
Well, Marta, a Vihil, Barrove has point Croy Topics, the Tarna Lasha, Feno, with Chinavilla Car, a Socky Count Street, Ach, Maraha Fishkigan, the Vayach Fern, Kupla Cool, Nutria, Sikela, Darroch, Clara scored, a Hile, Ken never talk with her, Ken chance to do it.
By Team Oigailers, to sponsor the Hookshits, Sigid Lagas, Kaishin, either Fad, him or Father Quinn or Leran Bark, Shin another Stavokli.
Shot to Keen, it's on again, Carl Mannion, Agus, I fast to get me a Lachuligus, Top Pocket, Brown and Son.
Jonathan Glynn the Vian, agus Jonathan Tavotach, Gavana She Erebork, Maana Che Tashantach, Shin and Corriga via Galia, Zero on Tucson Shin and Leroy Darda, Corishach, agus Tugan Che Shanson Shot, Connor Cooney.
Agus Nick Corriga Shin Heen to Rovinix Slash, Godisha, Peskelach, Matantu Gumachem Derek, Moon and Gar Chef to Dershit, Shakuni Nish, Gazette, Montish Tach again, two smart Corriga and Galia, Shatan the Lab. Van Varna, Leader had begun in Sunishimage and the Gashudach and Clark, Lloydach agus John Conlon in a noon sea in Sun Howell. Clara scored Araga 4 Tarnish. Agus Shachon, Flinder at Howell, Ross and Keane put the stuff again. Count the Hoon and Lay.
Score Intach ag Jason Flynn agus Shin Tusmach a Valiant Shin agus first top Bjorn the Moron.
Well, Clara scored a stolen and saw at the park agus Shachtiag on the shot agus Tasha captain son inish Martian debut cooking and hit Hoon on Bucket get seeking and counter Shachon and Clark Kushicht on the Yassen put Tamach Kinne Heroada and son is Boilacht and Clark again Ian Galvin on Mordi the Harish Tana Firvora is Tigakach talk again the goal bar there. Agus Portland of Roig Nish Shinskin is Samuel Puck Erika Agus is Potunish in a jet this for his Kamalish.
Tumanchin Gentig Kelly and Chin Agus Tugan Chancellor and Jason Flynn or Connor Cooney Tacht.
Well, Cooney Holo for Carcalor Agus Maradurum Dirk Tusen Tarnalahama Ryan in the Rahu Nutri Sekele couldn't check Blechlo Erchlara scored Agus the shot Hanechun Goonish. Go 8 punten. En Cooney gezet maar te stachige. Agus tá mór jacker die gest de goebar hier vat on blokkeren.
Goeie Keenele fight again Shin agus die dan a gwek fan and shit tip with and Lena Fehemader agus Keeling Shin. go bhain siad an cúig pointe agus deanna sé sin an difiocht tá gaiile reis sa glutha.
Nis freagra tastáil os na chláirínig an sa. So sa John Canlan nach bútear siúd agus a rís an gaiile pléas go machchan son Cathal Mannion a rásar chuman na hiria diad a cmecht tús leis an son de chúta na chláir agus é dianta go chaléiseach mátá ge Cathal O'Connell agus seach an ríisteach Patrick Kelly an bouta the chest of an oid agus cúni garrid a bheith ann.
Ach an fochail sin momentum tá sé gaiile foioi láthair agus mar a dúirt tú scóraigh testal ó chlár ach ní léon chuntúirt ar scór.
Nis cé tá Conor Whelan a feitheamh ach trasta an ságaní clínig tá sé gafa leistig an son agus chuir fóríl nó bé Jason Flynn mi ceart mar ábhí an son.
Tá na firmóra chuiristeach a gaiile is Jonathan Glynn, Conor Cooney, Cathal Mannion, iad fada Stehan agus Jason Flynn.
Well, is lé go dastíú a seo bhuachtan agus Davy Glennon. Dianta rausar fada ge siúd an son agus Cathal Mannion buinteach. Tá buile fachta ge Cathal Mannion an son agus an réiteoir. Well, de chola sé an bhécaíon Mannion ach tá an cárta buí an nachta ge agus a fágan na parket an glár an son tá Dara Curry.
sé buile thug sé go Mannion ar na lábhain sin agus tugann sé puck sír. Jason Flynn an seo.
Anna henúil well tá mór an ar an coscéim na captain agus sanach tá sé buinteach aige. Fachtatáine sé ge Glynn siaganí Cooney a chuáil aige páidir sin agus tá sé bhfuil sáirithe. Fósáin agus sáirithe réiste na bulan son. Arsúin má bhí cainte ráma. Beidir bhfuil rud amháine a tastáil ón gléas a go meachtain éignach. Nadidir be cuairm an TMO i chintiún ar a bhíráid Harrison lín an sanach níor gléach air. Is go déin féin tá ní mór na hamanta gléachar tá ónach tá Tony Kelly istíocht an glárneis agus cárta buí eile. Nochta hen san Conor Cooney tíbere ceann gáineomat. Idir an dáling an chláiríist le sní na bastan na chéile ach aber bhaint sanna ge Joseph Cooney. Would you get Joseph Nish Glynn son a steak? Ach near Brennan Stittermach at Tony Kelly or Yaramacht and Claude. Pass all in Toysta. Is Jacket Suggery Peter Duggan and his boss finish. Come on Loska. Sinead turn the camera live one again. Art Holt.
Agus cé go bhfuil luas ag baint leis a glufa seo tá áit freisin go na lads mór a freisin agus Léiríonn Peter Duggan agus Jonathan Glynn lei sin sa chluithe seo.
Anna fesa bethe chuma isteach aige. Tony Kelly chuir siar gan glár i dtíir cuasa i stúra trastansa agus seoltach an cínig ar Rory Hayes. Is mar sin éon faointe díoch. Cúigneomad brigála séneomad caiitinsa. Glennon a bhóla isteach sára aige Tony Kelly cúna garad. Agus a réist. Rán siad fear amháin chun íireachta dhéanamh ar chúl agus sé Conor Whelan an fear an bótasa.
An difar sa Dara leo híomh caiite an de.
Búirt isteach aige, teanga bháil amháin an tarna teanga bháil agus sábháil aige Kelly. Fiochan de bháin chan cín, seolta suat san na Jonah dosa aige siúd. Seach a second is go chéanar na sellh clitar caiise túd fechúil nó cailfar an telef, an clár amachchan sa trast na parke chofad le David Reedy. Dúf chuir na geanan son of Joseph Cooney chuir stopan son le íireach Rory Hayes agus amach le Johnny Cohen an ngalibh. Éon faointe díag fós de bhar ná. Sitar títe ag Cathal Mannion an fast an na léargus seantra sánis ach a réist an cláiríneach a chahabhénig sa bhar na bail an son. Íireacht ge Brian Malloy.
Cad é mar fes ó Cathal Mannion tresta na porc an sin go Brian Malloy agus Mia Carter Docholíntaach deantach é cosantóirí an chlár.
Ian na porc an trasa a túd fechó. Lascáilta isteach agus Kelly in lein ónig éhil. Tá cún fachta agus chuigín de féintí i gebor.
Is doch a bhfuil cúig pointe tuilte go níl samúil sin tucha. Is dóilm gohfuil. Tá é idirú na fórne seo.
Gáineo mar díag gine nó mar sin. Liadol. Go count Skripa on slow recht. They get Shamar Horde. Go Canis and Orders the Fragenson. Lesha Gossator Joseph Cooney. Come on, now Luska Fachtenzoy get Peter Duggan. Sheshan Farkotorov. Shin Maloney. Strack Asud. Schlitterlesh Strack Unachlak Shin. Or Dublinson. The Naniv Fevru again. Matt Dunhu. Tasha Kaita Nishika. Jeshin Sa. And Bardo de Mo. And some Schlitter Trevnish. Conor McGrath, Eric Schlitter Holt. Ach, Las Gottach and Keane. And Machanson left in the floor. David Fitzgerald. Todd Collins on Mavian Gaulish. Agus Dermot Kerwin. Just two. Nish, Tasha Havishach, Idir Vert, Todd Collins against the Park. Tapping the lawn and vertical Televarodach, pass live on the Clister of Adler Connor Whelan. Ish Jachan saw, Idir Curlish to fair for a stick. And Brisha fighting so, again Malloy, Tasha Shin, roared. Agus Nifu and scoration. Shaking the feinty. Tracha and they Vian Clark on Tossic Glahama. Augusta Galore player at the Lina Homa. Shot the thrust of his talk. A good deal of reach to get Duggan. Trustingly Shane O'Donnell. Fichen Ketash to get his top. Fairwit and Machaga. Carl O'Connell is stolen. Or Toll reach to get Glore.
Shin Anna Cool, Carl O'Connell and Shin, Agus Shane O'Donnell, Trohigan Cool Shin.
Nish took some fish of Agent, some Glormark out of Fevru, Carton, Shin Skill Kennedish, Patrick Breheny, Trastigany Maloney, and so Shanter Holach Arist, and Kortbach on Ishtach, against the Clarinigigs and Bautason, the Bay, Girodo O'Connell, Yin and Gnu, Shotach and Keenan, Sundan Glor, again Oisin O'Brien. Ashtuach al Talivale, or Aklich, the Tastor, and Plessa, Kenafalonach. Fihis Fehe, Whelan, Johnny Kelly of Fairlesh, Brutamach John Tavlina, Sheernsa, and Ishakas Paul Flaherty, Flynn and Ish, Schleet in the Gare Heilig, now the good deal. Jason Flynn, I guess Chinner, breaking against the Tarmalassa. Lish Varshin. Get a faint Tatra. Agus the foreign Banish Dirta, Edit David Nish. She faint to Desha, Erclara scored in Sus Stadach, Kinto Freshin. Idern Donny, Conor McGrath. Oh, come on, Kyle to get. And pass live at fast Agus Carl O'Connell. Dirach Sanat, Yennis of Version count there, Nach Gaulish. Coursing the Garter, Clara scored. Barna may paint down on Clark Hotasig on Hedurica a clock apart Sachamota saw Fork Fenway saw Mastone was Tony Kelly the Stuart Coursey Levinson or Units and Lachuli Lord Maradirfa Force in the Talif Anderson Raytor attacked the Stachenson. Jonathan Glinnalar and then the Nalif, Dermot Kerwin and Ish, Agus Kushkane Vaki, Malachin Jim and Son, or Matt Donoghue, Agus Fog in the Park, Shadsa took a share Stacharist, and Vroig Dest and Ray Tower, Shahun and Halivarist, Trust and Sogs, Fachtastig, and so Gemalai, Tut Verholach, Tony Kelly, Tunachar Nachberg, Kelly or Hursey.
Sunta Suffer Fad and Rolata Kelly Sadara Lancha, the Kulu Sheer and the Carulish Nakustantori, Shajugan Arish.
David Reedy, Cooper, and Titter and Tossagach, David Glennon. Well, Arish, the Harrington, Adder and Schlitter, no, the Kayla Code, the Harrington, Broig and St. Glennon. Ach, never to Donaroig, Agus Tasha, Shroiganish, Tossed Oil, Agasana Hostile, Dienter, Cancy, Rory Hayes. Arish, Stackert and Oil, the Harrington saw. Stachat Son at McGrath, Currer for real again.
But to John take two, he and Shin Dog Shin, Schlitter Ni and Shin. Hall Galia, nach in Coolishach, Sir Donlan.
Och, no, but that's all. So she in Jen to Tangalif Nilena or to have son. ach an cláran isteach Anna Jassenson Lord na slíige Cathal Mannion Steach ó fadan sa Weil Dahi Burke ní mór agur arag sin slitter in the extra dan na diaw Deshan son is to come to reached Patrick O'Connor agus a chorp Curtis sa client son agus an slua team for Tasha the reached a tackle gomór le sem mar chuin ceap agus mar chluthe.
Tá sé ionach mar chluthe an lús atá an agus Peter goil rudí le fálam ag go cum an lucht leis goil an lús atá leis a chluifin seo.
Nis tá lucht bhleachlíonn san hol mar na chéinteamh féchan ar segus bhí banfelidóirí bhleachlíthe I Mastún chomá chuitíomh bhí chun Brendan Martin chun Sam Beguir agus chun Vicarhan sa Glahama ar fort na himar agus the current sin á dúr timppel na carach fan na deire seachtaine na cothú Jaffain gan dáteach an dáling an sabhaint isteach agus ábhar beag ar fóréil sé nó mat goile naigín na féintí a scarú na bhórne chun chorathe na nimróí lethardach leisige den ing an mert chaptaíon Colin Callan nó Patrick O'Connor sé Callan á bheith bhrúin sa láimh seáil Fradiad go siúd a chósaí agus glantach an siúil I Cathal Mannion ceann brasú sa John Vermór tóchas an air agus tócha go díalige Conor Cooney flocáilta mátá ag McInerney ach bhí callístiad a riimi sin leis tá sé trút fechúil an sára ag Patrick Kelly isteig.
Dahi Burke an sin leis an íireacht an sin agus Níl anna cúpla scóir idir na fórne má tá gaiileann an chéad scóir eile áil chuir sé brúar an chláir tá neart am a fáca.
Cúna Garrett cé hócaigh an seans bhuiiteach go ní Maloney perseachtaíonn géad an céad teang a bháil seans leite David McInerney agus cúna mut goile le dul bhuiite sos feid na park ag siúd geall leis John Nithe Hanbury Town go daon féinnig ach Adrian Toohey Bhuiite mátá agus ceall chamáin an son an bhróid chun an bhearas ag Bobby Duggan Glennon a réist an mó chéine or the Stachan Mila Chulach and Kelson, custom to Gerdilin Santan Glár, they get Rory Hayes. Fachta Martagus the Galligari to the Shochan and Stanlin. Dr. Stack Kruigan son, then Glár Girod O'Connell, the Chained on the Stack Kruig, Achtasha Fachtan Zanish, the Bishop Tony Kelly, a Kurt Eachlitson and a Gustin Tor, Tachtrastach Calnan, a Dirigan Stitter of Lana. Ganen Chamon again good boy against Conor McGrath. Cadé Keekris, Cadé Chanas, and so Fark, Fenway, Glennon against Shinana Fass, they get shoot, Suskini Cooney, Stachatsa, Nisa here Foss, Patrick Breheny, the Derek Duncan Kinney of Patrick O'Connor, Wildton Fersa in the Alla Clare Vanatono against Skilani Assenson, a large Lechan and Television Ruchtant. The Tony Kelly and Kelson Nehema Harrisha de Evlina. You're going to question him to Hal to Dochas.
Yeah, well, Brancher and Kate Scorella, Ketonan and Kate Scorella, all Turshanska Galia, Turshan Barna Cart, Barna Loricus is Docha, Conform, Matasha Dananda, all of Tushans and Chakam.
Claire's Lou scored as the 3 King Gadisha, Shane O'Donnell, Edirik, Epolis Dachalaur Schleach, Trahanson. Le Ferdinand Clarvey really a Gilush Dachan a Foka, ach, Unta Velican Park, Tasha the Cossin Clark, agus Cooninish, the Kayla Corrick, Katra Ohagach, Hugna Proga, and Rosa Talavan son, agus and Shants Latex and Slow, Yaslash and Slow, a sort of puck on the Erika, a Yishkin Haniet, a Scarrow John the Kayla. Kadianik Patch, when she hit it now, the Divine Hurta, Stachan Sogdev, and Latin America, Commissar. Cathal O'Connell a bhfuil hole fight to Sultana Lahasho again ach tá Shelif Gate to get Shane O'Donnell son agus or the Hellish to get Cathal Mannion Tana le Darren Chlohead Sino Madledol Stachan son Mila Choyerist Tasha the Tarak Lapwigs come on a Northern son Kona Tarak Eridalav ach Oberun to get Rory Hayes erist agus amach le Kelly a Ross and Keenan son and Sutter in a Gavon to the Shen Nihulik Fechol but to Macha Gashut and son agus Ta Gach anything a Liga Macher Hennig and son Ian the Burke and Olive Akon and Nupsi and Latcher Rory Hayes Ella Head has Pontus again Garson.
Antas Pontus took a go horse there agus eat free fruit Darmonton chin.
Well, Patrick O'Connor stole him down about the Hayes Agus O'Connor, Tony Kelly Lish, the Cusson Tony, Omega Podge, Traston Sugly McInerney, Emilika Heincheck, Cooler, Captain Sonic, Agus Bergman scored Kinunach.
Shinung scored Kinunach, the Mahoramsha, Agus Granware and Versha, McInerney, Anna Foha, Imri, Versha, Fresh and Agus Love and Octor, Florensha, Agus the Imri or Father Guiding Tersham.
You could keep the fight and Coulson, Ishtachlu, about the Bonella, talk at the hall, and father son in the flag, shot it, it's the Duggins, Peter Duggan, Agus Pedro Chase, most score, Fadden Tonona, Count in the fact again.
Should we count off on Clore and Chincon and Bjorn Oscar Cherish, Agus Stoilum to Guildera Lagalianish.
Well, but Yakin Holo, Yomut Gille, Gavetanish, Ocean, Dawn score in the hall, Patrick O'Connor reached, with Donnerstachan Sonnegus and Farrafur, and Cool Kinunach, David McInerney, Paginish, Counter, Agus Shade to Sheer, Gunmir Frokrach, and Son again Nalivach.
Which in Jonathan Glynn and I, Page Collins, Fairmore and Fairbiog.
Well, the head of Hede Wachel, the head of Page Collins, Madeleine Cluckus, Slemish, Nachna here in the Jäger. Shakadi Johnny Coninish, on pass, Corvarsky shoot, Cooney, a Tolda Smachtacher and Schletterich here doing it as being Illipegon gear. Page Collins. Oh, the klassierte. Get Page and son Khofadle Galvin. Ach en Counson lacht galore. Ni more nagvel Genedente. Agus a Coho Shesha Gullion Americanach. Agus a Scapishen Plahe. And so Ford Venicatana Park in own. Ton Plahe Coronero, just the park in a. Agus Gach Shatznish Gavek for a class. Foot fat na tira moor de shot. Agus Jonathan no Jason Finn. Direct scored the end of the dachta on Hossent again. Glars a Tarna Lasha. Again, Shasam and Old Kudil. Agus fantastic Tan Farsa. Tresh Blahoots on as a Peter Duggan. Agus Shasta Shashona Duggan Tan Kinte. A Tate Sewer Shah. Well, da Kashki left never left the Saha. Is there a good dog in you?
Oh, Stoil on me, Agus. We had fact the second lane of Quab Henny, got them poor, Agus Tashek Lane to Riley, she score all on shot.
Well, Tom Catte, the second edition of Whelan, and I know it ever. Poor Delishalina, Ramsach Princess and the Anton again. Bullybuk Dienach can't out. Ach, Crotagans, Clara scored again showed. Tana Kleiny Nick Taka, Agus Tan Taction Dientaka. Kenna fil another Gernach Shay to force, Agus is the year with Karenish, a Tasha, Kinian of Madle, kind of Egdena, Lishan, Gwyn and Flash and Tran and so Fort Fenway, Agus V Kade Klachte, Kade Sport, Agus Kade Quillen to Gwyn, Fianna Tranona, Agus Whelan, Kana Whelan on the Stach, Agus Pedigur Libri in the Krieg Morshe, Shakasani Yella. Newmut se fresh niet doen, gefeedeld die met Kevin Dollar gaan Newmut. Ze nou fresh nu een goede korte. We gaan klare tachter is, take het aan het oog, getting shit to get here met Kevin. Agus en sloe ervaart. En de kosten en de Manakini. Het is een kohardige sliste voor de ervaart. Ach, lessen klaar. Karen Kevin, David McInerney en Kirkenu geshoot beter. Zien we geen Newmut heen. Ach, is hier dan klaar, het had je op ochtend. Ach, wie net schrik in de glahi en auservat. Zes aanbochel, Peter Duggan, Gashkier Kartskorala, Os Coyden Goeliges, Jerry O'Connor, de Lewis Hannah Grafsche, Anna Hoste, Agus Kuma en Garstu in Oger. Remische glahi, Agus is lekker van de Tana Masnet Don, Meloni, Nakmer Don, Gadisha. Achterledig, en de Gnu, en Clarenson. Gorau der mocha gesho, agus Nartosha mar groepit en kinte Golor ebel dientako is de minnechele agus Karoshelischen Wurden. Amachan so se vieste amanichte ata roine macht schreist na naluk. ach mar chlausú chusaímáníochta idirchúnta mas féidir sin rá rimnolig ba dhechar é seo áthú agus tá cleasan chláir go lúcháideach agus is iad súd na chorathe mar athráid go agus é bútear deir hir go lechiad pointe ag an glár sícinn is tucha ag an nailah is ag an glár atá corn chorathe na Nimiróirí.
All right, agus tá Tony Kelly a dhéimar páirt lárnacht an glár an seo tránón an Jobh treéis tach an cainteling. Tony, congratulations. It was a lovely victory and a super game, I think.
Yeah, it's different, I suppose, today. It's normal 15 of 15, you know, and yeah, you know, it was 2 great games, I think 3 great games overall, and look, this is what it's all about, just coming to overseas and showcasing hurling, you know. Outside of Ireland there isn't much, I suppose, publicity on hurling, and it's great even for the Irish people here to bring, I suppose, 4 excellent teams from Ireland over for them to experience it.
And people might say it was a challenge, as in the pace of a challenge match, but nobody was really holding back there either, were they?
No, you know, it's like when you come over for a tournament, you want to win it, and look, you know, we thought we'd get a good run out and see how far we could get, you know, and look, I suppose thankfully we got over the line, and I suppose it makes coming over a bit sweeter, you know, going home with the cup, and look, it was a good workout, you know, a lot physicalier than it looks, you know. I watched the game 2 years ago, and it's very tough out there now.
You had a lot of work done by the looks of you.
Geez, no, I don't know about that. You know, there's, I suppose, a good lot of us were still involved in club championship, be it hurling or football at home, you know, so fitness, I suppose, has been kept going with that, and look, I suppose it's a good workout, and it's good to get lads, I suppose, together for a weekend like this, especially integrate new lads into the panel as well, you know.
You were playing a lot deeper than we might associate you with, Clare. It's an interesting thing because people might talk about all the scores that were scored this afternoon, but really I thought it was your defence won it for you today. It's really important to shut down the opposition, isn't it?
Yeah, you know, especially in a game like this, you know, there is so much space, and you know, you have to work hard back to back and try and keep out the quality forwards that are on show here today. You know, it isn't easy, but yeah, look, I think we got a good balance, you know, got a good few scores in both games, and we're able to keep the score down at the other end, you know, so it's all work in progress, but heading into the real stuff now in January.
Exactly, and there's a little bit about playing the All-Ireland champions too, isn't there, about trying to just lay down a little marker, because they are the team everyone will want to beat next season.
Yeah, they are the standard bearer, you know. They won everything last year that was going, and look, it's always good just to come out and test yourself again the best, and they are the best at the moment in Ireland, and look, we knew coming out today we had to, I suppose, perform and I suppose give ourselves a marker where we are at this time of the year and see what we can improve on going forward as well.
Alright, well, Gormaga Tony as Larkin Tranón, and off you go to collect the cup. So an chlár mar sin na Dulawala chuige in aig a trocha trí an scór a bhíonn seo agus ní fada inis go mé de dulsáil dohranna an chorann. Diarmaid cléthe tanamhach bhíon chlár a bhd chuntósaigh ag lehan bhí de fethe héan chuntósaigh ag lehan críomh néidir a buchant le 7 so tháinig gáileh arás bhíidir gar golóir do sé faointas donna bhíidir chun deireadh a bhí beagání níos mó de bhar an atra an tam go léir nach raibh?
Yeah, bhí neidir an é sin ó an créimh agus beidir célóir agus rudaí mar sin ag díomh an célóir ach bhfuil sais taring deir imróí sa láth an neomh in íomh créimh mar sin a bhúchan go háirthe in áit mar gaileh nach bhfuil sé cocotínta so beidir go léir íon sin tar éis cléthe go le nach bhfuil an foiinemh mar a míon aber mar a bhí a chuntaí an chlár sa deire le bhí anna chuid anna ina bh choth agus bhíidir ochrarsach agus ní léonúna go bhfuil an chlár ochrarsach mar há I bhad níos mó sna himróí seo agus le tamil níl sé sin feicithe.
Se mar sin agus cathal tá tusa tagah trístín taobhlína tá cuma merigach ar gaileh is há siad amthe dul go dtína scolanna níl factanta gan ní acharaint des na leid se commandaring ó chríochníidir le gaileh sa saoire seachas na clubs so bu a tiltte 3-3 ag glár?
An bu tiltte ag an chlár tá tímar gaile agus cén fáin nach meach is fada ó cháil siad chluthe agus bhú siad an strá náisiúnta bhú siad críomh na héireann is cinál nós an bhíonn tú bóchant agus ba díma orthg Dulawala é sin ráite bhí sé tiltte ag an chlár.
Alright, okay, well beidir go leisisibh tá an célóra agus an bronna faoin an teoil agus raimig gotí ar go lacathe ag nesan sin an cólacht áitiúil Americánach an seo an cléithe seo chréile Maston agus Adam Pellerin.
I'm joined on the field now by some very special guests who are here to present Clare with the AIG Fenway Hurling Classic Players Champions Trophy. Anna Stagg, Francis Fitzgerald, Fenway Sports Management Senior Vice President of Sales and Operations, John Clark, GPA CEO, Dermot Early, Director General of the GAA, Parrick Duffy, AIG Ireland Managing Director Tom Allen, Consul General of Ireland Fionnuala Quinlan, Director of Communications Declan Kearney, Chairman of Boston Friends of the GPA Aidan Brown, and Red Sox President CEO Sam Kennedy. All here to help us present the Players' Champions Cup trophy to Clare and their captain, Patrick O'Connor. Congratulations. Galway came out in that second half firing, but you guys were able to stem the tide and able to hold them and come up with the victory. How'd you do that?
Galway are a fantastic team. I mean, we had a bit of a lead in the going in at half time, but because there are so many points awarded for a certain type of goals, the scoreline, don't let it fool you, it was very close, and that's what it ended up being. Galway are our All-Ireland champions, and rightly so, and I'd like to take this opportunity to congratulate them on what was a phenomenal year. They are fantastic champions, great ambassador for our games, so can we have a round of applause for Galway?
And we talked about this earlier, the unique setting of Fenway Park and playing Super 11s here and able to beat Tipperary and then Galway. All of these things happening at once, coming together. What's going through your mind right now?
Just privileged. I mean, our All-Ireland Championship at home, we probably spend 9-10 months training for it, but we've only a handful of training sessions for this, so there is a very big element of a lot of enjoyment attached with this. I mean, it's a different type of hurling. We threw ourselves at it, all the teams threw ourselves at it. I mean, none of the teams are going to go home overly disappointed. Granted, we're going home with the cup, but I'd just like to thank the people of Boston, the people of Fenway Park for allowing us in. It's been an unbelievable couple of days, and for anyone who's at a loose end for tonight, I'd encourage them to stick around Boston, because between the four teams we hope to party long into the night.
Should be a fun flight home, huh?
We worry about the flight tomorrow. It was tough enough on the way out with no sore heads, but we worry about tomorrow. We're going to enjoy tonight. It's been a fantastic festival. The people of Boston have opened their arms to us. The Irish diaspora that are out here, I mean, particularly every person I meet seems to have West of Ireland blood. There's an element of immigration there that's been going back a long number of years, so we're delighted to be out here. It's such a prestigious stadium. Really enjoyed reading up on it, and the lads have enjoyed teaching themselves about why it's so special, and it certainly didn't let us down today anyway.
Congratulations, you earned it. Enjoy it.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations once again to Clare, and thank you very much to AIG for making the Fenway Hurling Classic possible. Have a great night. Enjoy.
Alright, so Patrick O'Connor mar sin agus locht an chlár an a hástal in a gcuid tránóna ibre an sa buas lachtfaracha a gédal sios hibridáran sa le leithcheannis agus an son an lábhan nuachtar fuitecha chuige in aige trocha trí chaileh in san gluthe canis. Agus is tócha sin é deir leis a bhéile níos a bhuachan níos tá sean agus ar na mómí den éir cahal do thuirmí generalta faoin é de chunicimar an sa I Fenway Park tránóna.
Right, I'm here, it's Bradlam and Cuncap, agus is clutha difriú lé, agus is clutha is féidir imach go éon cahar fud an down in our era, mar ní gá go meach se comór le Parker Crokic ná na parkna a agan Somalia. Ó híh Cuncap de bhrális na daine a bhí an seo an chluithe mar bhí anna lús. Is tócha go bhfuil rudaí le fálam agan Somalia le rudaí nua go háirithe beidir pochtíomhlína nach go líon ceanán agus chun sé le lús an chluithe agus is tócha bhí go leor skill le feiceáil sa chluithe sin beidir skillen nach becken mit ro vinnig sna cluiche atá agan fuil láthair. So ó híomh an concapte is brála mé, is brá leis an luch féchanna agus tá rudaí le fála más agus ó híomh an atmosfér a bhí an seo ó bhaidin. Agus rud a thug mise faoi dearan ar a tháinig mé seach an seo an raidin. Bhí daoine istí an seo agus go háir Somália bhíonn sé deachar daoine áilisteach lua go dtí an chluife agus beidir bhfuil an rud sin le fóla maiid.
Agus Diarmaid is tóca ceisteinis nach cad a tharlaíonn as seo amach an cúla mar cúpla in na Dermot early in na Mascua gan níos luatha rá is féidir an cluiche seo a úsáid chun an scéal faoin na máint a scapa. A bhfuil sé cartanis a bhfuil sé ann an targa éigur féidir Turcity Park in the Defriúla mar haipil an daman?
Is tóca gur féidir is rud codíonnta I measc muintir éarnach a há timppla dain agus mar is óldúin ar fad há siad agus há anna chuid taistil déanta goid mar déanra agus mar cinenne agus dúlna right down comma. Há díine mar sa luigh tú le Dermot há gearán sa bhaile há muintir cumann le scéil sa bhaile níl gach duine róthás na faoi agus ní hé go bhfuil sé ní rud mar rud dúltach nó dearfach nó ceart nó mí ceart ní léon gá fiochan ar mar sin há díine le gearán agus há sé tábhta go néistíon muid lá comma mar há point le déanamh có ní hé gohfuil gach rud forfáil seo ha ghearid há rudí le dul I bheabhs ach há díine timppla an dain, há simime cos na cluichí, há gail timppla an dain, agus há simime có fiochan air, agus seo deis dhéanamh na daoine is fearr a chur chun cín.
Agus caithfar a rá, tá AIG an seo a piúchas suas an bille, so ní hé go bhfuil sé seo chur airgid oringe sa bhaile más féile mé chur mar sin. Agus tá go ceistetá níos seán na cad a tharlaíonn as seo amach cathal. An bhecinn tú a le héad a rud Super 11s a péad a thuirmí there á immert aber America rís an tam sem dínte chuin.
Well, hála sé gáh líon ó hin, níor thola mi sé aon duine ag gearán faoi an tam sin, ní féidir an gearán faoin rud a bhí tarla an seo le cúpla lá an ús agus an féile bhí an agus na tuspáintas échan tú na himráí, tá himráí brásásta teachtamach an seo an tuspáintas a thuirt agus brásásta ag dul bháile, cé go bhfuil tríar ag dul bháile agus gan iad a bheith bóchach. Ach bhí an cluife tábhachtach agus bhí siad a gearán I rith an cluife an réiteúir agus léironn sé sin an tábhachta a bhhanas leis. Is féidir dulrá agus é a chusa bhéalere agus dul amach agus beidir fórne eile a chur amach go America agus tá scéalta gáil hart go bhfuil furdan ag dul gan Astral an bhíon seo. Is rud maithé sin agus chun an scéal scapar ar fud an dam. Is tír beagmuid caiimi sin a chur san áirimh agus an médaine atá ulan eáil is dóilm sa gúil an chluithe an.
Alright, well bhain maintar Boston an a hana bas na cluichí a bhí an sá I Fenway Park Tránón in Nniuh agus asúlagam gur íon sibse chomá sa bhaile mo bhachas le cathal le Diarmaid agus leis de bhuireann ar fad go bheiceann mí de chéile a ríist slán go fóil.
Quick fuse, I was uptight, wanna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna leave my old life behind. Not a yes sir, not a follower. Fit the box, fit the mold, have a seat in the foyer. Take a number. I was lightning before the thunder. Thunder, 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 feel the thunder, lightning and the thunder, thunder, feel the thunder, lightning and the thunder, 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 thunder.
AIG Insurance, proud sponsor of the AIG Fenway Hurling Classic.
Rán fud omíthóid na héan ag go martas ornaíochta Junior Eurovision an 8 fannaí lein.
I'm wrong, and I've been stepped on. I've been kicked when I was down. I've been too